Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat lag on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps and click on see all. Scroll down and search Snapchat from here. For example, this is Snapchat, and click on storage and cache. Clear cache Snapchat app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reinstall Snapchat. Just click and hold on Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After uninstall, click on Play Store app and search and click on Snapchat and install. After click on install, you will see app is installing. So after installing, app is showing on your screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.